Developing a positive mindset, changing your attitude to change your life. Attitude. You have a choice in the way you perceive whatever is going on. You have the power to choose whether you think the glass is half full or half empty. If you are presently struggling with making a commitment to completing your goal, you may want to ask yourself the following questions. What is your interest and attitude towards your goal? Is your goal important to you? Are you willing to give up whatever it takes in order to be successful? How clear are you about your goals? Do you have a plan B? Are you able to eliminate negative self-talk? Try to consider how your goal fits into the future you see for yourself. Attitude is everything. These steps will help you create a winning attitude and help others to do the same. Use the right words. Use statements like, I have a positive attitude, or we will find a solution. In daily conversation, the words you use on a daily basis have a major impact on your attitude and mood. Strive for optimism. Having a positive attitude is something you should strive for. It isn't something you are or are not. It is something you become. What company do you keep? Do your friends have negative attitudes? Does it rub off on you? Many times, the company we keep can affect our attitudes. If your group at work or home negatively affects your attitude, take the necessary steps to change the situation. If all else fails, change the people around. When you know you need a change, when you know you are not happy, admit it to yourself and take action to reverse it. Listen to what others say. We may like to tell ourselves that we are positive people, but it is not always true. Listen to what your friends say about your attitude. They may say things that you don't want to hear, but sometimes the best changes in life come from constructive criticism. Define your career goals by carefully researching your options and your interests. Make a commitment to following through with achieving your goals. Take responsibility for your future. Attribute successes to your efforts. Focus on the positives of your life experiences and let go of negativity. Look to develop friendships with people who have similar interests and who have a positive attitude about life. Don't listen to your mind's negative thoughts. The nature of the human mind is to offer worry, anxiety, and fears. However, how often do these actually come true? The mind can easily exaggerate problems, making them appear more serious than they actually are. Don't take yourself too seriously. It is easy to feel bad if your ego is hurt. Nobody likes being made a fool in front of other people. However, if you do not give too much attention to your ego and are able to laugh at yourself, you can turn embarrassing moments into opportunities for giving joy to yourself and others. Difficulties lead to progress. Trials and tribulations give us the opportunity to progress. It would be unwise to look for problems, but if we come across difficult situations or people, we should look at this as an opportunity to overcome difficulties. For example, if we can learn to deal with argumentative people, it will be of immense benefit in our later life. Remember the benefits of smiling. Even when difficulties are seemingly insurmountable, there is no harm in smiling at our difficulties. When we smile, it releases a chemical serotonin, which makes us feel better. Also, others will respond better to people who are smiling. Happiness spreads. Your state of mind and attitude will undoubtedly affect other people. When you can look on the bright side of your life, you will definitely inspire others to do the same. This will encourage you to do the right thing, as facing a problem with the right attitude is not just good for you, but your friends and colleagues as well. Life is always moving on. Bad times don't last forever. Say to yourself, this too will pass. Live in the present. The past cannot be changed and the future may not come. Bear in mind that This could be your last day on earth because one day it will be. Life is too short not to make the most of every day we are lucky enough to be given. Do what you can do and let go of the rest. Pay attention to nature as it is an endless source of joy. Take pleasure in the world around you. Example, listen to the birds singing, bask in the warmth of the sun on your skin, enjoy a cool breeze, notice the perfume and color of flowers, feed your spirit with beautiful scenery. Take the time to visit a beautiful garden or grow one of your own. If you can't make the time, buy some fresh flowers so that you can still enjoy the beauty. Count up the many good things in your life and be grateful rather than spending time concentrating on what you don't have. Be courteous. Even just the gesture of giving way to someone on the road builds a bridge of positive feeling between you. Remember that adversity can be an opportunity to learn more about yourself, other people, and how to cope with life, however unpleasant the actual lesson may be. Be active. Get out there and see what the rest of the world is doing. Being active feels good, and seeing what others are up to can actually inspire you to get more involved too. Remember, your positive attitude is the key to your success.